For the Chero Archers, but coming in on a win, they want back-to-back wins, but Marita Pass is in the lineup along with this man here who shot so well yesterday, Rishabh Yadav in the lineup.
जी स्टार्टिंग 4 में कोई बदलाव नहीं दोनों ही टीम्स के लिए। अगर आप देखें आपके स्क्रीन्स पर ऋषभ यादव, उनके साथ साथ Marita Pass, Brady Ellison and of course the Indian champion Deepika Kumari as well is part of the Chola Chiefs. This is their squad. But they have the option of a couple of substitutions which they can make at any point of time. So the likes of Chiquita or Pulkit or Tarundeep Rai, the experienced Tarundeep Rai, and Anshika Kumari can also look forward to an experience perhaps at some stage. और पृथ्वीराज योद्धास के अगर लाइनअप को देखें तो उसमें अभिषेक वर्मा है, उनके साथ साथ आंद्रिया बेसेरा भी मौजूद है, मथियास ग्रांडे जो कल काफ़ी अच्छे फॉर्म में नजर आए थे, और उसके अलावा जो चौथी आर्चर है इस टीम में गाथा खड़के, कल बहुत अच्छा उनका डेब्यू था. शी लुक क्वाइट faultless in some of her shots, and their options for substitutions include another youngster in Sharvari Shende. They also have Krish Kumar, they have Priyansh, and they also have the young Pranjal Salve as an option if they need to come in. मजेदार मैच होने वाला है और सबसे पहले आज शूट करने वाले हैं Chola Chiefs. They are the team in yellow. They are the team on target 2. They'll be going first. Here's Rishabh Yadav. .59 yesterday, which means that he was able to get a 10 5 times out of his 6 shots. And he begins with not just a 10, but also an X. What a start.
Yeah, tremendous stuff from a man who's in red-hot form. They switch over to the other side, and another one of the famous Indian archers, Abhishek Verma, to shoot first.
बड़ी जिम्मेदारी उसे भरपूर तरीके से निभाया है. ना सिर्फ 10, बल्कि also an inner ring, which means another X. So both teams starting with likewise shot. Well, Kareem, looks like they've already gotten used to this range inside one day.
Yeah, archers all after groupings, which means the tightest circle around the arrows. World number 1 up next for the Yodas, and she's inside the 10 ring as well. Andrea Becerra, the compounders, going first, and it looks like Rishabh Yadav is going to shoot first again in the second rotation of the compounders.
जहाँ अच्छी शुरुआत रही है दोनों टीम्स के लिए, लेकिन this time there was a mistake. It's resulted in an 8.
दिल्ली के योद्धा हैं, पूरे देश के योद्धा हैं और वर्ल्ड के योद्धा हैं. इस समय पृथ्वीराज योद्धा की और
Abhishek fires a 10.
कप्तान है अभिषेक. एक बार फिर
Pressure now on the Chola Chiefs. So just a 7-point lead here with Andrea going again.
Well, that dropping out into the 8 as well. Correction, that was the wrong target we saw. It was a 10 there for the Yodas. That's just the second 40 rotation we've seen.
दीपिका की शुरुआत 9 के साथ, तो फिलहाल 6 अंकों का फासला दोनों टीम्स के बीच. A lot of pressure right now on the Chola Chiefs because Prithviraj Yodhas have begun perfectly. Oh, Grande hits a 6. Scores level once again. It can change in a jiffy.
Yeah, he wasn't sure about what went wrong there. Here's the big man. He shot so well last night. Brady Ellison.
You think this is deliberate? The most experienced and perhaps the biggest archer going last effectively?
Yeah, it looks that way. It looks like Brady shot really quick last night. He's going to go in that anchor roll. And that looks like it's an 8, but it may cut the line for Gata.
Quite a dramatic start. And this is why this is so exciting. It does change very quickly.
Deepika going out wide again. That's marked for a measure as well.
शॉट दीपिका कुमारी
8 अंकों का फासला है, ये बहुत बड़ा शॉट है यहाँ पे मतियास ग्रांडे का.
Good recovery from him from the 6 into the 9. He is dialed in now, just making a little bit of adjustment on his sight picture, but here is Brady Ellison.
16 से वर्ल्ड नंबर 1
Ideally he'd want to hit a 10 here.
High 9.
और वहां पर देखिए खिलाड़ियों की ओर से बहुत जोश नजर
So young Gatha steps up. She needs a 9. If she nails that, then Prithvi Raj get their first set points. The buzzer have gone off though.
Oh, did she release it in time?
निश्चित रूप से आपका टाइमिंग शूट वहां पर
Now there's going to be a bit of deliberation here. We're looking at the line judge, and looks like she was shown a card. So the last arrow won't count. Look at Brady Ellison taking control of the team. Let's not worry about this. Let's just get going. Move on. We don't need to worry about the other team. He has taken that de facto role of captain.
लौटेंगे एक छोटे से ब्रेक के बाद.
Time, and so the 2-0 lead for the Chola Chiefs, a great start. So it will be the trailing team. Prithviraj Yodhar's going first. Abhishek Verma into the target.
Gets an X right to begin with.
शॉट निश्चित रूप से एक्स पे ही होगा. एक बार फिर
ऋषभ.
टीम के लिए टारगेट नंबर 2 एक अच्छी शुरुआत वहां पर थोड़ा सा लड़खड़ा गए थे लेकिन
Starts with a 9.
9 रिग में
बहुत जरूरी होता है आप अपने विपक्षी टीम के साथ साथ रहें, बहुत ज्यादा फर्क नहीं आने दे स्कोर्स में.
नेरा वहां पर 9
Pass could do with a 10 here to level things up.
सुरेंद्र और इस समय
The Estonian taking a bit of time, and she does get a 10. It's in the X ring. You don't get extra points for it, but it will give her bags of confidence as she moves through this second set.
तैयार हैं अभिषेक
अभिषेक 10 अंक उनके लिए. और फिलहाल पृथ्वीराज योद्धास खुद को आगे रखते हुए इस दूसरे सेट में.
फिर ऋषभ यादव अपनी टीम के लिए
Just to remind you once again, 2 points for every set won, and if the set is tied, then teams get 1 set apiece, 1 point apiece, and it's a race to 5. The first team to get to 5 points ends up winning the entire match. Andrea Becerra, she wasn't at her best yesterday, and has also started slightly indifferently tonight. Pass is much better in terms of that outcome. She's got a 10.
बात कर रहे हैं रिकॉर्ड गेम में इस बार मैंडेस जो इस समय वार्ड नंबर 4 है इंडियन आर्चरी प्रीमियर लीग के इस 2025 के इस फर्स्ट सीजन में अच्छा शूट कर रहे हैं वहां पर
Matthias
दीपिका कुमारी
gets 9 for himself rather. A 9-point difference between the two. Deepika comes in and starts with 8. Once again, Brady Ellison might have to do a little bit of heavy lifting at the back end.
Yeah, she's come in from last night and just looks a little bit off her game at the moment. Got that into the 9 following Grande. The big man. And he's gone into the middle of the target, just what the Chiefs need.
So with the last two shots to go, both teams tied at 56 apiece. This is a big shot coming in from Gatha.
Yeah, and they're playing with the order again. They did this last night, the Yodas. Gatha shooting 2 in a row. Team's free to do that. Means Grande will shoot last. But here is Deepika Kumari. Oh, a 7 there leaves the door wide open now.
What an opportunity. Yodhas 2 ahead. A 9 will seal this set. And he gets that 9. So at last, we are going to have a set taken apiece in the Archery Premier League. It's a high 10, but it doesn't matter. It's 74-73 in favor of the Prithviraj Yodhas. बहुत बड़ी आर्चरी उस टीम द्वारा और अब दोनों टीम के लिए 2-2 सेट पॉइंट अपीस और पहली बार आर्चरी प्रीमियर लीग में बराबरी का मुकाबला, कांटे का मुकाबला देखने को मिल रहा है. It's a very good fight back by the Prithviraj Yodhas and we'll return with the third set soon after a short break. तीसरे सेट की शुरुआत and it's a 10 for Rishabh. Now this action hots up because we have 1 set apiece, 2 points apiece for both teams. Everything to fight for in this third set. Yesterday every match was decided in this set, but that's not going to be the case today.
Yeah, Becerra switching around with Verma there. Becerra shooting first in this third set. Pass up next. Can she follow Yadav into the 10?
Not just a 10 but an X as well. बहुत मजेदार खेल ये, रणनीति का खेल भी, क्योंकि 4 आर्चर्स हैं, 2 रिकर्व के, 2 कंपाउंड के, और किसी भी ऑर्डर में आप फायर कर सकते हैं, तो ये एक फायदा है हर टीम के पास. स्ट्रेटेजिकली इट्स अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कॉन्सेप्ट. He nails it as well. It's another X. High quality archery at the Yamuna Sports Complex.
That has cut the line for me. That's going to get marked as a 10.
Yes, currently gone down as a 9, but it should be a 10.
No doubt about that one, eh? I'm intrigued as to why they've switched orders, Verma and Becerra. The Chiefs have stayed in the same order for the compounders. Oh!
40, perfect 40. And the other team also has an option of doing that. If Abhishek nails this, then it's going to be 40 apiece. सारे सपने साकार नहीं होते, लेकिन 9 तो मिले हैं. And now there's a 1-point advantage for the Chola Chiefs.
Wow, I think that's probably an 8. We might go for a measure, but it is marked as an 8 for us.
You can see it in her expressions that she's not happy with her current form at the moment. What a start here from Matthias Grande.
That's his first 10.
Just leaves the door a little open here for the Prithviraj Yodhas.
Bit of pressure here on Gata. High 9, that'll do. Keeps them in the lead.
She's got a 9, so technically they are 9 points ahead. We have it as 8 because one of those might be marked up for Chola Chiefs. That's pressure, that's pressure, that's probably a 7. It's very close to the 8 line. If it cuts the line, then it will be marked as an 8.
Critical arrow here for Brady Ellison. He needs a 10, really. Gets it. And that, for me, is a 76 for the Chiefs. That's what we got it marked at. Sorry, 77 it is.
Yeah, this set has gone the way of the Chola Chiefs. The pressure has shown a little bit on the Prithviraj Yodhas. और इस सेट को जीत लिया है चोला चीफ्स ने. Just like the first set, they've also got this one in their favor. And it's gone 4-2 in their favor now, the Chola Chiefs. The team in yellow looking for their second successive victory. In the lead after 3 sets of this opening encounter of Day 2 of the Archery Premier League. बहुत मजेदार मुकाबला और एक बार फिर से चोला चीफ्स का जो एक्सपीरियंस है वो आगे दिखता हुआ और वो इस टीम को सवार. It will begin with Prithviraj Yodhas going first and it's Andrea Becerra who has stepped up to the plate.
लेकिन अच्छा मुकाबला देखने को मिलेगा. दीपिका के चेहरे पे खुशी बता रही है, अच्छा खेल रही है वो, लेकिन इस समय नेरा टारगेट नंबर 1 पर
8 से शुरुआत, थोड़ा सा दबाव अब योद्धास पर.
They've also got to worry about the clock, the Yodhas. That was a long time for Becerra.
He's cut the line, so it will be a 10. Chola Chiefs with real good consistency in the sets that they won, and they want to replicate that here.
Oh, that's good from Verma, and he was quick as well.
Almost, pretty much the perfect shot because it's almost clipped that X mark right in the middle of that bullseye zone. Fabulous stuff from Abhishek Verma. The release looked good, but it ends up in a 9.
Yeah, you could see from Mary's face there, she wasn't happy with that. Andrea Becerra needs a little bit of quicker shot. You saw her get up to full draw pretty quickly this time. Great recovery from her after an 8.
So now that the compound archers are done, it will be interesting to note if the order of the recurve changes, because we saw Gatha go last on a couple of occasions. That's another good start.
Can he go perfect in the first of the 4 arrows? Oh, look at that! Tickling the spider, as it's known, that X in the middle of the X ring. Very, very good group from Abhishek Verma. Pressure now on the Chiefs.
2 fabulous shots from Abhishek. Pass responds in like. This has been a terrific start. It's 39-38 at the moment after the first set of shots.
It's all going to come down to these recurvers. Matias Grande, a Mexican, up first. Oh, nicely done from Matias.
We could be closing in on the first shoot-off. If the teams are tied at 4-all, then we have a shoot-off, which in itself is going to be an exciting time. 9 for Deepika. Keeps them in range, keeps them 1 ahead. Matias gets a 9. That leaves the door ajar here for Brady.
Yeah, a 10 here, and they move back into the lead, the Chiefs. Oh, look at that. When it's called upon, the world number 1 delivers.
Plenty of pressure on Gatha. उनको सिर्फ 8 ही मिले हैं, तो मौका यहाँ पे है, बहुत बड़ा मौका है.
एक अच्छा मुकाबला देखने को मिल रहा है. आर्चरी प्रीमियर लीग 2025.
10 there for Deepika Kumari, edging the Chiefs closer. And that is the time gone for Gatha. She doesn't get to shoot her final arrow. Brady Ellison on the line to finish the job off. And into the 10, a magical performance from the world number 1. The Chola Chiefs dropping just 2 points in that final set, and they have taken this match against the Prithviraj Yodhas by 6 points to 2. An incredible performance from the team in yellow. Great stuff from Brady Ellison, Rishabh Yadav, Miri Mirita Pass and Deepika Kumari. It took 4 sets. It's the first match of the 2025 APL that has gone to the full regulation 4 sets. And Kumari saved again a little bit by Brady Ellison this evening. So 2 wins in a row. The Chola Chiefs provisionally top of the table of the APL. Well, that's the first.